EVENTURI echoes high-end, high-quality, high-performance products throughout the BMW community. We at Schmiedmann are very proud to deliver everything from British EVENTURI. Today we have this performance intake kit in full carbon from EVENTURI for the BMW E39 M5 for you guys. All these components are manufactured to the highest of standards for the highest possible performance for the BMW E39 M5. Most visible when mounted, we have these Venturi housing in full carbon with the EVENTURI brand and the serial number. Super cool part, of course. And in here we have the Generation 2 air filter with the cone. Beautiful piece to this. The two fog lamp ducts in combination with the neoprene air ducting section makes sure the airflow is smooth. Even the silicone couplers are of the highest quality with BMW specification hose clamps. On this EVENTURI intake, the velocity stack area is way larger compared to a regular intake. In combination with the optimized airflow, it gives you 394.6 horsepower compared to the stock 386.8 horsepower. All measured by EVENTURI on a dyno. Do you want the aesthetics and performance of EVENTURI in your BMW E39 M5? Find it all on Schmiedmann.com. You want anything from EVENTURI and can't find it? Contact us. Leave a like and a subscription here and where else you find Schmiedmann content.